Claude Code can be brilliant at writing code, but terrible at remembering where the code lives. On a big repo, it can burn tool calls just rediscovering the same files. This source post says CodeGraph fixes that by building a local knowledge graph first. I checked the post, the repo, the NPM package, the release notes, and a clean sandbox. The short version: the idea is real, the package works, and the strongest numbers need careful wording. The proof to watch is this. A single CodeGraph context query returned the signup function, the validator, and the related user creation code without his hand picking the files. The pain is simple. Coding agents often explore a codebase the same way a human does on day one. Search for a word. List folders. Read a file. Search again. Read another file. That is fine on a tiny repo. It gets expensive on a large, unfamiliar system. The X post frames this as grep, glob, read loops. The CodeGraph README describes the same core issue. Explore agents scan files, and every scan costs context, time, and money. The useful mental model is not magic memory. It is doing the expensive map building once, storing it locally, then querying that map instead of repeatedly walking the file system. CodeGraph is a local code knowledge graph for coding agents. It parses source files with treesitter, extracts symbols and relationships, then stores them in a local SQLite database with full-text search. It also resolves imports, calls, class relationships, and framework routing patterns. When an agent asks where something is implemented, CodeGraph can answer with entry points, related symbols, and source snippets. The repo says it supports Claude Code, Cursor, Codex CLI, OpenCode, and Hermes Agent. It also lists support for TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Go, Rust, Java, C#, PHP, Ruby, C, C++, Swift, Kotlin, Scala, Dart, Svelte, Vue, Liquid, Pascal, Lua, and Lua. The source post gives one command, epx at colby-mchenry/codegraph. That path is real, but there is an important version check. The public NPM package I inspected is 0.9.3. The GitHub repo main branch currently says 0.9.4, which means main is ahead of the public package. That matters because the README on main lists some CLI commands that the NPM latest help did not expose in my sandbox. So this video uses the public package behavior for the actual test. The current GitHub release is version 0.9.3 with platform bundles for macOS, Linux, and Windows. I installed the public NPM package in a disposable sample project and ran CodeGraph against two small TypeScript files. The first run taught the most practical lesson. Because the sample had no gitignore file, CodeGraph indexed node modules too. That produced 292 files. Then I added node modules and .codegraph to gitignore, reindexed, and got the clean result: 2 files, 8 nodes, 12 edges, and the index completed in 157 milliseconds. After that, a real context query answered the task directly. It found signup in src/index.ts, validate email in src/auth.ts, can sign up in index, and create user as a related symbol. That is the value proposition in one screen. The code map is already built, so the tool can return the relevant code instead of hunting for it live. Now the claim check. The X post says 94% fewer tool calls and 77% faster exploration. I would treat that as the source post claim, not the number we independently reproduced here. The current README benchmark table is the safer source for the video. It reports averages across 7 real open source repos: 35% cheaper, 59% fewer tokens, 49% faster, and 70% fewer tool calls. The raw table includes VS Code, Excalidraw, Django, Tokio, OKHTTP, Gin, and Alamofire. The README also gives the right caveat. Big codebases benefit more. Small repos already have cheap native search, so the margin narrows. This is not a replacement for judgment. It is a local index that can reduce repeated discovery work. The best use case is a large repo that your agent does not already understand. Install CodeGraph, initialize the project, restart the agent if you configured MCP, then verify the status before asking architecture questions. Also check your gitignore first. If generated folders, build outputs, or dependencies are not ignored, your index will be noisy and slow for no reason. The strongest packaging for this tool is not just token savings. It is giving Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor a local map before they start spending money exploring. If you want me to test this on a real repo next, drop the repo in the comments. I will run the same source-grounded test and separate the benchmark claims from what actually happens.